Rob Clapper here with Bradley Corporation, demonstrating the 5071 series roll paper toilet tissue dispenser. It's kind of a security item to keep the users from stealing full rolls out of the dispenser or throwing them into football games out to the field. Basically what you do when you come to the empty roll, you tear the core off, and you basically have a spring-loaded tab. You pull it with your fingertips, depress the spring, it comes off. Let me show you that again. From this side, you just pull that spring away and pull the core out. To refill it, very simply, just put it in from this side, slide it in, and there's a little notch here that allows you to put the left tab in first and snap that in, and you're good to go. The paper can go from the top or from the bottom. This happens to be a non-controlled. We also have one where the rotation of the spindle is restricted.